Yo, what's good YouTube? Today we're gonna see what is the strongest of these monkeys here. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna put the monkey here in the middle. He will have three boosts, this one, and this one. The first one, so we can attack much more faster, but I mean this is not that good because like these monkeys will be all upgraded a lot. No, that's not good actually. Wait. I'm gonna put this one here, bam bam. And then we'll use this to the max actually, and this one will be, that would be the best, but I mean, it would not be fair, so yeah. So let's sell this, and now we're gonna start with the first one. So we will make his strongest one. Let's see, actually we can, I don't know which is the strongest one. Let's put the first one here, and let's do this. And let's put one of these. Like something that cannot break that easily, you know? So we're gonna timestamp here where everything is gonna pop. You can see then by yourself. Can we here put some lines or something like that? That would be nice. I think I'll always put like a monkey or something like that, like there. It seems like it doesn't do any damage. Nope, he will not kill it. That's for sure. But that's, I think like before, like that other video what I did, I also put that thing here with the first engage. So he is these ones, they get boosted by the first branch of this, you know. So yeah, okay, so he can't kill it. I can't use this, but I mean, that would be a bit cheating. He also does some pops, so, but I mean, for everyone, this will stay like that. So, you are not that good. I mean, I could also change it to this one here. Then we'll see about it. So, that first one didn't pop. Let's see this one. I think that is in the middle, that's for sure like the least strongest one. Even it's so pricey. But we can actually look, we have time. There's a lot of crit, but I mean, will this change a lot? I don't know. Oh, already like a bit popped. Like he's like much more further than the other one. I don't know if it's gonna pop. I mean, this needs to fall off, and then it will be low health. So here it will get here something, then this will pop, this thing here, and then it will completely pop. No, this thing will fall off. Okay, so I did it around here, but also this, it also lost, you know. So I'll put there, what can we put there that does no damage? This one is the best one here. Okay, so you were also pretty bad. Next one. What should we do in this one? This seems strong. Alright, let's put the one again. Come on. But I mean, I can actually like already say like what I think is strong. This one. Oh, we've got like something that we cannot use. Fuck. We don't have water, that's a problem. We'll do a different map then. But I think these two, like that one for sure, very strong. This also very strong. I mean, the Paragon is very strong. Which one else? Then I think like Druid can be very strong. He is also very strong. That was it, I think. I think there's nothing here, but it's very strong. Okay, so he popped around here. So this is what is the best here. So let's sell this. And yeah, where the druid is. This is like the best thing right now. I think the other one wouldn't be that good. Let's see. What is better, this one or this one? So the best one for now is where the druid was. Don't think this will change a lot. Look how fast it shoots, man. Yo, it's already a bit cracked. That doesn't look even normal, man. Look how fast he shoots. And it's not popped now. Popped around here. Okay, let's put them there. So it's around here, you see. Here. Wait, I'm gonna do this instead. Wait, now. Actually, I can use Geraldo and use their pickers. No, this will do a bit of damage. Figurine, yeah, that should be the thing. Here. Exactly here. Okay, next one. I don't think it gets better than this. Like for now. We'll do the last one. But I mean, I'm impressed right now. It popped around here. That's actually very strong. Like, big ass change to this one. Let's see. Also now, guys, what I will do is like, when it's not cracked or something like that here, I'll just leave it, you know, then it's not worth the time. Actually, it was here when it popped. And let's put you... I can't buy one. Hey, why can I not buy one?
Ah, there you
I
are.
think this should not change it. Around here. So, you were actually one of the best. Let's see the cannon. Which one should be the best cannon? I think this is the best cannon against these guys. Let's just use all of these. Well, I use the long range because like the long range you can actually intercept much easier, and I already did it for the first monkey, so I use it every time. So you see it's not cracked, then yeah, you lost. Let's see how this one will go. Yo, why you try to pop? But also this, we cannot restart it. Let me see. Let's restart. So this is where the best thing was right now, this one.
Why, hello. Ah, there you are.
Nope, you lost. I don't think it will be much easier from now on. Actually, no. What did I do with that? This one here. So it already burns. It shoots from very far away. That's already crazy. And then, yeah, this seems very strong. Like, it's also very strong, and that's why I also use it. I mean, how strong is it? Let's see. Let's see. Nope, you already lost. It was around here. So, quite very strong. Yes, that's good. I hate that. Wait, let me just use this then, because you guys will for sure also want to see this. But I mean, there's no range, so actually it should be actually trash. Nope, trash. Next one, he has no pop damage. Let's try just his pop thing. Not like he's a good supporter, but I mean, We are now here for the pop if we can like shoot through. Nope, crash. Do I need to test him? He will do nothing. Yeah, I don't even have him to max, I'm sorry. But he's also not very strong. Let's see, he has two good ones actually. I will use this and this. Already cracked. It's here. Double crack. Triple. No, the last he fought. Yes, and now actually popped around. Ooh. Around the same, a bit here actually. I think around the same here. I mean, these two guys are actually the best to now. I would like to use this one, but like I can't really use this one. So I will change on the map afterwards. So we got this one of the strongest. And we'll see why, guys. Already cracked and didn't even came out. Double crack, triple crack. Yeah, it was around here.
I've been waiting for you.
So where was it actually here or somewhere?
Yes, my friend. Welcome back.
Why doesn't it go
Ah,
away?
there you are. Why, hello. Yes.
Why can't we
back.
buy one, eh? Why can we not buy one?
I've been
Why can I not use you? What the fuck?
Ah, there
Ah,
you are.
there you are. Okay, it was here. Wait, let's retry it and we'll
there
see
you
where
are.
it is.
That is an impressive specimen.
Yeah, here. Okay.
I've been waiting for you.
This one's the best. But I think it's also like one of the best troops. So we'll do the first one and then we'll do the last like thingy there, you will see. Like it's really strong. Military is always like much stronger, I think, than these normal guys. I think this early game, late game, like mid game, late game, mid game, late game, very pricey, but this one. Okay, you lost. Will be much easier from now on because like we've got such a crazy guy here. But this one's very good, like with his. Oh, he doesn't even have an ability. I thought this was an ability to get these three guys there. Also, no. Wait. You lost. I'm sorry, but I mean, you strong guy there. It was so strong. Let's go here. All three guys are actually very good. I'll go for more damage here. And let's do it here. I mean, he's not strong enough for this. That would be too crazy. You lost. Let's redo it. Let's go for this thing. Actually, no. Not strong with this. We'll try to use the strongest version of them, you know. Nope, didn't do something. So yeah, not strong enough. I'm sorry, buddy. Next one, wait, actually we can use that one, the last one. But I mean, it's also like not that strong. No, but much stronger than other one. For sure. Let's change it then this one. Oh, I didn't press. I mean, he's strong. I would just want to see how far actually it goes. He's pretty strong. Like, if there wouldn't be that strongest thing, that would be for sure like the strongest one. Next one. Oh, it's much stronger actually. Also around here. But I mean, it's much like it went through. But I just want to see how this works out with this. Man. Yeah, much stronger, but I mean, we don't use ability now. So yeah. Also very strong actually. Let's use the last path. But I mean, it's one of the worst, I would say. Oh, not even that worse actually. Very strong. I'm not a fan of him, this thing actually. But what does this do actually, man? Look how fast it goes. Imagine you have a lot of these. Well, I just want to see that. With this one, poor. Yeah, but I mean, I won't use it. So yeah, next one, we got Tim. Which one do we use? This one? Or this one? I think fire is much stronger. Let's use him. Bam. You lose. If you really want us to see with the last one, we can also use this, but I mean, nothing will top that one off. What is burn iron? No, you lose. Second one. Also this special arcane thingy. So he got one that already shoots at him, and we got then the second one that shoots also now. I should shoot, yeah. But also this, I think the first one is much stronger because like it already cracked it. Not strong enough, I'm sorry, buddy. Last one of my favorites actually. The Necromance or something like that, yeah, Necromance. I was always fan, like, when I was young of Necromance thingy, but yeah, not strong enough. I mean, he's a good support thing, and his Paragon's very strong, but like that, he's not strong enough. And he's one of the worst of these no, magician. Super thingy. Let's use him. Wait, if I use this, what happens? Wait, we need actually to, again, put this here. And then one of these here. Let's look how strong it is. No, it's not even that strong. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. That other thing was much stronger than this. But I mean, he gets also stronger of the troops that he inherits or something like that. So yeah. He is strong, but like, nah. He was always like one of the priciest. Okay, next we're gonna change here. The middle one. I think the top version is strong, yeah? Should be. Nope. not that strong. Like I was watching because I thought one could shoot like when it spawns around 2 kills or 3. He needed much more, so he's worse. But he's also very strong. I think it's the better. Let's try him. Actually, with this because like here is not just like how many pops, but also like how far it can shoot. Because like what does it do? Like when somebody can shoot, okay, he can shoot from here, just this one, but he has like infinite pop. Okay, nothing can do it. But, like it's more important to kill it much. Yeah. Okay, actually, wait, where I didn't even watch where it popped. So we're here. Bam, he shoots, cracked. Yeah, that was very near. Actually, let's try it to pop him here. Here, okay, that's crazy.
Yes, my friend.
Okay, that's crazy. He's one of the strongest actually. Let's again do this here. Okay, so normally he is the winner to this time, like right now. And like the other one does more damage. Like I don't know, guys. It's for you to judge actually. Like who is now who. Okay, next one we got him. I think this one should be the best. Oh no, this one. Actually, like nothing does anything here. Like when you're that strong. Hmm. Why didn't it go okay here? Nope. You lose. Very tiny range there. So he needs to accomplish one tile. 2 tiles. Huh? 1 tile. 2 tile. 3 tile. You lose. Last here. Let's see. So he needs to accomplish these tiles and then be very strong. And then he will then go against the other one. Actually, how long was it was here when it popped? Actually, I think he's strong enough to go against these guys here. How long was the range? Pretty far, actually. Wait, now. Okay, let's see if he destroys it. No, that's nothing compared to the other one. I thought he was much stronger, man. What's happening? Why is he so lame now, eh? But why is he so lame now? What the fuck? Oh, it wasn't him, I think. Oh, fuck. Okay, my misjudgment thing. Okay, let's see again here. Nope. Also this one, why is he so trash right now? Yeah, much, much more. I just want to see now how this one is against him. Yeah, like one half. Like the other one was like much stronger. I just want to see how strong that is with when you use this thing here. Yo, doesn't even come out. Then it's here. But I mean, we are not competing with that one. So yeah, we are continuing, guys. The next one is one that we already have here, and that will be this one. I will go with the second one. I think the first one doesn't do any damage. So we're gonna do with the second one and this. So come on, let's see. The problem with him is like he doesn't have any range. See at this one, no, not strong enough. With this form is of course much stronger now. Actually, it's trash. Why do a lot of people like that one? Trash. You now need to wait until this. Okay, when will this go away then now? Is it forever now? Oh man, come on. I need to restart. Okay, we're gonna continue then again. The first one was here. I hope it was there.
Yes, my friend.
Around here. Like this, the airplane was here, and he was like here. Half a tile, no, I think here. I don't know, guys, but you already seen like this one is. We can actually do again afterwards, like who's the strongest. Okay. Then this one is boost. I'm gonna redo it with you, but this time we're gonna put the last one here. Ah, that was the favorite. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do this first one. This is very annoying, that other thing there. Didn't even go away, let me see. Might actually know what? Fuck it. Okay, come on. Come on, more.
That is an impressive specimen.
No, eh? What the fuck is he doing? He's doing absolutely no damage. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah, that's not normal. Why is he just doing... Nah, that's crazy. Yo, he's the worst one. Okay. Does this go away? I don't think so. Let's restart again. One of the most annoying guys here. Bam, bam,
Yes,
bam.
my friend.
Okay, next one is this one, the druid. One of my favorite, not one of my what am I talking? So we will do let's see. Come on. So he needs to destroy it here, or he's like not competing with the other one, with the best one. And nope, he's losing. Next one. This is also one of his abilities, so it needs to stay there. So he needs to destroy it here, or I will not compete about with the other one. Nope. Last one is the last thing here. I will do this here. Let's see. So what he needs to do is to kill it here. Or he will, like, here, then he is already in to compete with the other one. Already cracked, but I mean, already cracked is like, then will, other balloons would have already finished the thing. Next one is this one. We're gonna take the strongest here, this thing here. But I mean, we already saw, like in the other video, that it's not strong enough. It needs to destroy it here. If it doesn't destroy here, it's not competing with the other one. And no, like I said, he's not strong enough for this. Let's take him. Actually, this one's the best for him. Actually, that's one of the strongest, if you think about it. Actually, it's one of the strongest. Wait, I'm gonna put it. Can I not put him? But he just shoots there. Wait. He's competing. He's competing. I know he has some time to load up, but I mean, normally you will also do this. So yeah. Let's see. Actually, it's one of the strong. Let's put 2 or 3, so it goes through.
35% genie bottom.
Let me change this, bam, and now this. Yeah, around here. So actually, he's stronger.
Yes.
And what you did see, guys, is I did some little fluence, so this is everything is away, you know, and then I redo it here. Like if you saw what I did here. So he's stronger. Opa, sorry. So that one was not here, but it was here. So sell you. The next one will be him. Let's see what's the strongest upgrade for him. Oh fuck, I didn't even get everything, but I mean nothing is beating the stuff that I just posted there. So the best, the strongest one are him. Then it's him. And then it's that one. So these are the strongest that you can get. These are the strongest guys that you can get, the strongest monkeys. He's the strongest obviously because the super mind's actually crazy, and what I did is like I took everything away and then he planted them, so he just destroyed it very quickly. Then we have that one and we have this one. Now all of these are going to compete against super stuff, so actually we can see like it depends, like, you know, because the problem of this one is like the DPS, you know. So we're gonna restart it here. We're gonna put this one here. And we're gonna put that guy also here. So and now we're gonna put this. Now that it goes through, every mine should be away. Okay, now it's away. Let's put one bomb. And it pops it around here. We'll still have lost a round. But it pops it. We're just looking for pops, you know. Afterwards, other troops can do it, you know. So, next one is this one. Let's see if we can destroy that balloon like much easier. Let's see. around here, but this time,
Yes, my friend.
he killed everything. So actually he's better acting than the other one. Like if you think about it, you know guys, because like thing is strongest, but the moment this goes away, bow, away, you know? So yeah. Next one we got this. Around here. You can see a massive difference actually. Massive difference. So what would I say? I would say this one is the strongest. This one. And then I'll go with him. Then I'll go with that one. But legit, this is the strongest. But the problem is like I said before, like when the thing are completely worn out, like everything is away, bye. You can say bye. Also, like you've seen before, like some balloons came through and it lost us 400 HP, and this would be like fatal for us in a normal game. But he does his job very well. He was here, and this also does his job very well. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was my list, was the strongest, blah blah. I'm sorry, truly sorry for these guys that I didn't XP to the max, but I mean, you will never see such a guy late game, okay? That's a fucking supporter. Which one did we also have like some problems? I think it was like one of these. No, it was this one, but also him and him. I don't know, you won't ever see one of them. But still, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite monkey. Like I said, my favorite monkey is him and him. I didn't even do like the strongest monkey of these one. Okay, we'll go for a water map and I will just show you guys this. I'm sorry, I didn't see. Okay, so where do we have a water map? We can here. Some scary spirit. Sandbox. I'm surprised, man. It doesn't do any damage. Okay, it does some damage, but like, it's not enough. So you lost. I'm sorry. But it's still my favorite. We got the upper decker one now. Does actually more damage. Okay, that's crazy. But that thing is annoying me a lot. So also you lost. Next one. We got that one here. I don't think this will do anything. Let's see. Nope, lost. Opa, sorry. Next one is this then. Nope, lost. Oh, he's actually strong, man. He's actually strong. But also that is lost. Now let's see the difference. Okay, we're just placing like that. We just have this. Already cracked. Bam. And just finished. And he had just this place. And you can also like do this down, bam. And we'll chain like he will come here, I think. Look, that's crazy. That's crazy. Though. This is the strongest. Now every type is being used. Now I thought it would be stronger. I mean that shit there, my favorite shit. But I mean it didn't change. These are the strongest one. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash like, subscribe, and let's see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye guys.